Hello, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be taking a look at how pen works. Alright, so first I'm going to start with the pen down and pen up buttons. So if I click the pen down, then it'll draw lines under the cat or draw lines under the sprite for whatever sprite you have. You can see that I'm like moving the X, and you can see there's this little blue line here. And then I can pick the pen up, move a little bit further, and you can see that the line stays there. This clear button here you can use to basically clear the screen. So now you can see there's a nice line and then an empty space. And maybe you can put that in a loop and maybe add some rotation as well. I'm going to clear at the beginning so that any lines that were there go away. Let's put the cat over here. So now you can see it draws these lines. We also have set pen color. It's pretty self-explanatory. It'll just set the color of the pen. So we can also do like 10 steps and maybe turn 30 degrees, and now we get this little dotted line circle here. Maybe if we drag the cat over here, we can get another, or over here. Maybe we could use these in a game if we wanted to have dotted circles in a game. So change pen size is also pretty simple. As you can see, the thickness of the pen stroke gets a little bit thicker as we go along. We can do all sorts of things. Alright. Pen shade. So this will change it. This will make it like lighter or darker. And then we have stamp, which is a strange one. Let's just pick the pen up. Then you can see that it'll basically take your sprite and it'll copy it down onto the screen. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what people can come up with. So this is a project that I made pretty simply. Well, you can watch it scribble around for a while, and it'll get thicker. Because we told the pen to make the stroke thicker over time, and also eventually another one will appear. But I think it's much cooler to look at it in turbo mode. So as you can see now, it starts filling up the screen with these squiggly lines, and more clones are created. And it looks kind of cool. You can see that like the slightly changing colors creates like this cloudy effect, which is nice. And you can see as they get big, they disappear and smaller ones come in to replace it. So yeah, I thought this was kind of cool. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.